Hi, I'm Philipp and we're here at DyeMansion Formnext booth. I recently joined DyeMansion as the Global Product and Market Manager for the VX1. I'm happy to introduce you the new machine. VX1 was a university-driven idea. We founded ASM with the roots of Technical University of Munich with a clear mission. We wanted to make high-quality surface finishing for AM polymer parts accessible for everyone. Over a period of 2 years, we've developed prototype after prototype, redefining the process and the product, and now finally have real-world applications and the machine in the field. The VX1 is unique because it brings a high industrial quality standard into a compact, user-friendly design. We are compatible with the most common materials in powder bed like PA12, PA11 and TPU. Yeah, the VX1 with its compact design and easy to install fits into every workflow. It has like the biggest build chamber in the entry section and is really effortless to use. We already have 50 of those systems in the market, and now with the power and reputation of DyeMansion, we are ready to conquer the world with this system.